Hey guys, Terrence here. Today I'll be doing a tune-up on a Dodge Caravan, and I'll be doing a total tune-up on it. Spark plug wires, oil change, oil filter, even changing the wipers. And I'll be uploading a few more videos with this van. I'll be doing front brakes, rotors, a hood bearing, and a couple more things. So stay tuned. Okay, here's the van. 3.8 engine V6. This is the filter, oil filter number for Bosch. It has over 100,000 miles. Use some oil stabilizer. Of course, I use this a lot. I'm using some synthetic 5W20. I'm putting some Rain-X blades on it because they're shot. It needs some windshield washer fluid. And how about this for my wheelbarrow? It's got a slow leak, so I'm not gonna be using that. And I'll show you guys what spark plugs I'm using, spark plug wires, and the other parts in a second. $13mm socket or 1/2" wrench or 1/2" socket. 1/2" fits better to unloosen the oil screw in the pan. Make sure your catch pan's in place. Be using the filter wrench to remove the oil filter. So we'll do a hand tighten on this. A strong hand tight. That's it. Okay, the oil screw is tightened down, the oil filter is tightened up. I add oil now. I'm gonna add, this is 1 quart. I'm gonna add this entire quart. I just recommend, this is for 75,000 miles plus. I recommend using the oil stabilizer no matter how many miles you have on your car. Well, at least 50,000 plus. I recommend using the oil stabilizer. I used it with cars with 30,000 miles. It's just great to have. So I'm gonna use a quart of this and 4 quarts of the regular 520. So it takes 5 quarts in total. But whenever I'm pouring in the oil stabilizer, I don't use the funnel. I use the funnel for the oil. Tip the stabilizer inside of the valve cover itself and let it drain. Okay, I'll change the wipers. Just leave them down manually. You have to, in some cars, you can let them up some and turn the key off. With this particular vehicle, I can just let it up. With most of them, the majority of the wipers have the tab right there. You can see the tab. That tab, you want to push down on it. On one hand is. Down on it. There it is. So pull down on it this way. It goes on just as easy. I thought I was recording when I put that wiper on. This is a 26-inch wiper, the driver's side. The passenger side requires a 20-inch wiper. Make sure you guys note that. 26 for the driver, 20-inch for the passenger. It's got some Rain-X wipers. It's the rainy season. I thought I was recording when I installed that one, but super easy. This is the latch, if you would call it, that stays on, that comes on it. I didn't have to use the one that was off the, they look like the original wipers, but off the older wipers. I didn't have to use it. So what you want to do is put it on this way, turn it, push up, there it is, locked in place. You're good. Okay, got the wires in the front, which are super easy. You can't get them mixed up. I just say, even if you're a beginner changing spark plugs and wires, just do one at a time. And I'll show you guys, I do one at a time. As far as measuring length, you can just do one wire, measure the length, and replace it back one at a time, one spark plug at a time. The spark plugs I bought doesn't require a gap, and I'll show you guys in a second why. The back may look a little difficult, but there's plenty of room right here to get back there and work. I'm using my spark plug socket, and really a straightforward job, guys. It's fairly easy. Let me show you guys the spark plugs. I'll be using the Bosch Platinum 4s. These doesn't require a spark plug, a gap. And I have some performance spark plug wires. As they say, these just maybe some knockoffs, I don't know. Never heard of this brand. Very cheap. They'll be good for this job. We got the good wires. Good spark plugs. Yeah, these are really good spark plugs. And I'll be using these. So here's the part number. The part number for the link will be in the description box for the spark plugs where I bought them at a great deal. And the wires. So let's install them, and I'll be back in a second. I just removed the wire. We'll match it up. The old spark plug, just about worn out. It's a Denso, it's a good plug. The new plug. The one on the far end here is for the middle spark plug. This middle one is for the far end over here. The last cylinder to the back. Using the straight ratchet, the snubby ratchet and regular spark plug socket to get the back ones. Just going off a feel, super easy. Done, that's 2 of them down in less than like a few minutes. Still going off feel. Popped it on there. Run the path. Done. Last one. Move the wire. The back is just as easy as the front to me. Last wire. Popped on. Done. Took me literally 15-20 minutes to do this, if that. Completely done. Okay, gonna install the battery, start it up. That's pretty much it for this job, guys. And I'm about to do brakes on this car, rotors, and one of the hub bearings are bad. So stay tuned for another video. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and look at all the content. I'll be giving so much stuff away I own. I'll be giving all kind of stuff away because we're in this big move, and I'll be doing work around the house. I'll be doing lots of work myself. The house we're moving into needs a little work, and I'll be uploading stuff on my channel as well as our other channel. So stay tuned, guys. I got a whole bunch of great stuff coming up, and you guys can learn a lot of things from the things I'll be uploading. So Terrence, I'm out.